Welcome to Easy Office Tips with Jay, your channel for making office tasks easier. This video is part of a quick start video series where I will cover top used features for beginners to get you up and running quickly. In this video, I will walk you through different ways of autofilling cells and how it behaves to help you save time when dealing with formulas, series, and intervals. When people first start using Excel, many would start by entering numbers, formulas, cell by cell. This gets the job done, but you can save more time by using the autofill feature. Let's practice in the yellow boxes here. First, dragging the cell is one of the ways to use the autofill feature. Simply click on the cell, hover your cursor by the corner of the cell, and hold the left click button to drag it down. This is one of the most commonly used methods. There are 3 other quicker ways. The other way is double clicking on the corner, which is great for long columns, so picture thousands of rows. You can also use the shortcut keys to fill down by selecting the area you wish to fill, including the cell with the formula, and press Ctrl D, and this will fill these cells down instantly. Another way is using the shortcut for filling right, which is Ctrl R. So again, select the cell you wish to fill, including the cell to fill from, and press Ctrl R, and it works similar to dragging. And you likely notice that autofill is quite smart. It knows to adjust the formula to reference the new rule, where the original formula is to sum cells C4 and D4. When you use the autofill down, by default, it will adjust the row number by 1. So 1 row down, it now references C5 and D5. And if you don't want it to do that, instead, you want it to keep a certain cell the same all the way down, you would just need to press F4 button, and this would lock this cell by placing a $sign in front of the column and row number reference. And so if I did this and fill this down, you can see that C4 is unchanged all the way down. So another feature of the autofill that you should know and can help save time is when you're looking to fill a series. And this can be a series of dates. And so let's use this as an example. I have week 1 here. If I autofill down, it will guess and fill in next cells as a series. And same thing with January up top here. If I drag this across, it will assume I want the next cells filled as a monthly series, so it will populate February and March for the next cells. And if you don't want that, you can click on the autofill options icon button that will appear once you finish dragging, and simply select the option that you're looking for. So in this case, actually you wanted to just copy the cell January all the way across, and you would be able to adjust it this way. And lastly, autofill has the ability to fill based on the interval pattern. So for example, if you want to create a list of numbers in increments of 15, once you have the first 2 numbers, you can use autofill to complete the rest. So simply highlighting the two numbers and dragging it will fill in the rest based on this pattern for you. So that will definitely save some time for those wishing to create these types of intervals. And so that's it for autofill. Now you know how to use it and how it behaves. Feel free to go through the workbook in the section on your own to review and practice. And that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy office tips with Jay every week. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.